Welcome! Today I'll show you how to customize Quick Launch button into your VIVO V20. Firstly, open Settings, and then into Settings Search, Right Quick, this one. And then from the list, need choose Quick Action, this one. And on the bottom we got another function for your Quick Launch, for example, turn on or off torch, recording audio, camera, Facebook, or some app. For example, if you choose some app, then need click or choose your application from the list, and that's it. For example, you want to open camera, so choose this option, and when your screen is off, press and hold the volume down button. So let's try it. And now we activate our camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.